How to fix product variants not showing correctly in Shopify. If your product variants aren't showing correctly in Shopify, start by checking the product settings in your admin panel. Make sure all variants are properly added, including necessary details like price, inventory, and images. If a variant has zero inventory and the continue selling when out of stock option isn't enabled, it won't appear on the storefront. Ensure the product is published to the correct sales channels, especially the online store. Try previewing the product using a default theme like Dawn to see if the problem persists. Double-check that there are no errors caused by third-party apps or custom code changes on your product page. You can also try clearing your browser cache or testing in incognito mode to rule out local issues. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it's a good idea to contact Shopify support. Thanks for watching.